Hi everyone, so I created these animations you are seeing on the screen with this free new AI tool video maker that I just discovered. So as at the time of creating this video, this AI tool is free, so you can start using it to convert your images to animations before the terms and condition changes. So come to your browser and type video maker me. Choose the first option with the website address videomakerme.me. So you're going to click on that and experiment that. So click on start creating for free. You can start using it to convert your images to video before the terms and condition about this particular AI tool changes. So here we are going to convert our image to video, or you can convert text to video here. You can also write your prompt here and also choose the aspect ratio that you want to use. So let's maintain image to video and click on this icon or this box. I'm going to select one of the images I have here and use. Going to select this and click on the open button. You can choose the aspect ratio either 16:9 or 9:16. Let's go with the 16:9 since most of our videos are for YouTube. And you can also choose to write a prompt here. That is optional. You can choose to leave it for the AI to decide on what to do. So click on the generate button at the down here and generate your video. This shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. So let's just wait for the video to be generated for us and you will see what I'm talking about. Well, this is the animation that we had. You can see the images are rather moving backwards. What we are going to do is to click on the 3 dots here and click on the download button, and I'm going to show you how you can make it move forward using any editing app of your choice. So this is one of the animations I created using the video maker. So you can also start using this video maker to bring life to your videos. So this is a video we created with the video maker me, and because we're on a free plan, it came with a watermark. So what you're going to do is to remove the watermark using an AI tool. So in your browser, type 123 apps, choose the first option. Now scroll down and choose remove logo from video. Let's click on the close here. Click on open file and choose a video. So you're going to select the video and click on open. Then use the yellow box to cover the watermark. So you're going to select the yellow box like this and bring your cursor to where the watermark is. Highlight it and click on the apply button and apply the effect. Click on the save button and save the effect, and click on the export button to export the video. Now you can click on the save button to save the video to your drive. Now you can see the video is moving backwards. So for you to change the direction of the video, we are going to use CapCut to do that. So go to CapCut, click on the create project, click on the import button and import the video you just removed the watermark from. So we're going to select the video like this. Click on the open button. Now add a video to your timeline like this. So let's wait for the video to be fully uploaded before we can convert that. Now the video has been fully uploaded onto CapCut. You can play it to see. So you see the images are moving backwards. We are going to reverse the video to move forward. So we're going to use this tool, the reverse button here. So click on the reverse button like this and reverse the video. So it's reversing now. Let's wait for it to finish converting it. Now we're going to play the video to see whether the effect has taken place. You can see the videos are moving forward instead of backwards. So this is what you do to reverse videos, either to move forward or backwards. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So what do you think about this new AI tool? Is it something you're going to try anytime soon? Let me know that in the comment section. And also, if you're already using it, share your experience with us in the comment section. Like this video if you found value in this video, and also share the video with families and friends who need this video. If you haven't watched the previous video, that video will pop up after watching this video. Go and click on it and watch from the beginning to the end, and also watch all the videos in the playlist that will pop up after watching this video to master AI animation. Now that we have finished everything, click on the export button and export the video to your drive or anywhere that you want to export it to. You can rename the file by using the right name and maintain the resolution at 4K, and also maintain the MP4 format and the 30 frame rate, and click on the export button and export that to your drive. Until then, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.